Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to our video. Today we're obviously in the Hellcat. Hope all you guys doing good, man. Dude, last video we got like 70% of the videos watched, which is so crazy to me. It's just so cool to know like you guys actually like enjoy watching these videos, even though I'm just like talking and driving. Appreciate that. Appreciate all the support. Oh no, this I need to do a little lap before I do something here because I don't trust the spot. Woo! I hope all you guys doing good, man. Hope all you guys are grinding out. Actually, I'm gonna go custom. Dude, this thing's crazy loud. It's echo. I usually doesn't echo this crazy. Let's see. Transmission sport. Woo, it's whining like crazy today. Since winter's coming, bro, the weather's becoming so nice. It's like much more crispy, so it's just, I feel like the car even sounds better when it's like this, weather's like this. Oh my. Crazy how like each company here is making like they're obviously making good enough money to be affording a shop here, which is so cool. Like so many business opportunities out here. One thing I will say though, business is not for everyone, man. There's so many different ways to make good money. I mean, to be honest with you, there's good jobs. Like my previous employer, dude, I was getting paid such good money. You know, with the business, there's way more sacrifice. That's for sure, man. There's way more sacrifice. So there's different ways of starting businesses. I mean, there's even trading businesses. Like people that do it for themselves, you know. I did something similar for myself, and there's definitely a system. So for me, I just like doing stocks. For me, is like the best side income. You know, it's, when you have a business, you can open up a corporate account. Not saying you should. This is all alleged, whatever. You know, this is not financial advice. What people want to say. But you can open up corporate accounts under your LLC that helps with, you know, the different reasons, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to invest everything long term right now. You know, obviously right now I do want to wait for a crash though. I will be honest. I do want to see the market crash because I don't know, man. We're at all-time highs right now. It's just. And the problem too is it doesn't stop going up. When the market crashed when tariffs happened, bro, oh my gosh, I bought so much. Everything went up 25%, 30%. I sold everything, almost everything. Not saying you should, I'm just saying it's like, this is all alleged. But yeah, long story short, I'm definitely waiting for, I feel like something major might happen. I don't know. But sometimes I just, at this point, I kind of rather sit cash. I want to buy stocks when nobody wants to buy stocks. Like when everyone was freaking out during the time when tariffs were crashing the market, dude, everyone was freaking out. I was excited, bro. I'm like, I hope this thing keeps dropping. Honestly, I thought it would drop even more. I thought it would drop even more. I was hoping it would, dude. I was really hoping it would. The only L with this exhaust, bro, is it rattles so much because the pipes keep getting loose. Every time I tighten it, it's like good for like a week. So I don't know if I already talked about it in my other video, but I'm trying to weld this thing soon. For the valve, since I have two mufflers on this thing, again, if you guys actually want this exhaust, you have a Hellcat, if you want it, just hit me up in DMs. This is the only exhaust that has the only valve muffler exhaust there is for Hellcats or Dodgers, Chargers. I mean, I couldn't find one. That's the reason why I made my own. And And the reason I love this exhaust too is it has 2 mufflers, which makes it even more OP. Like, dude, this thing's fully straight piped. And obviously, since it's catless, you're not gonna hear the whine. This is crazy. And my pipes are kind of loose for some reason. But obviously, it's gonna whine louder when it's. Also depends. When I'm uphill, dude, it whines like crazy. Like, it just all depends like how fast I'm going, how I'm pushing the pedal. Obviously it whines way louder than this. I love when this thing whines, dude. That's why I'm so happy I got valves on my car, because it whines so nice when you have the valves closed. Definitely keep the valves open. My oil catch can finally came in, so probably next Hellcat video I'll probably be installing it. Because oil catch cans, dude, I don't know why I haven't installed one yet. But basically it picks up all the crappy oil and it's recirculating the engine, and I know that if that will prevent, I forgot what it's called, it's been so long since I talked about it, but pretty much on top of where the pistons are, it like turns black, and from what I heard, that prevents it. For at least like a longer period of time, like it probably happens later on. This is definitely not a track car. I saw a post on Instagram of like this car going against the E36. E36 are actually like pretty good cars. I mean, if you boost them especially, I mean they're quick and they have good control, decent control. This is obviously not a track car. I don't know why anyone would want to track this. I love driving this through the streets though. D170, bro. Imagine a D170, because I heard the way they whine. Oh, I mean, that's like, to me, I bought this car because it was one of the best. Knowing that it was a D170, bro, it's like, man, I gotta work harder. I gotta invest way more. I gotta invest way more. Real estate and dividend and stocks is like my goal for the next 5 years. So with YouTube, I'm just gonna keep doing this, and then obviously the goal is to buy a crazy amount of cars. I have to do that once I'm really smart with my money, which will only take me like, honestly, 2 months. Or not 2 months, like it'll take me like 2 to 3 years, and I should have some good passive going on. And I mean, you only live once, bro. I'm not here to invest until friggin' I'm 50 years old and that's it. I can't live anymore. Like I'm gonna invest as much as I can, but I'm definitely gonna draw my life too. Pictures over here. I'm gonna do a little thumbnail pic real quick. Ooh, dude, it looks so good. I just got a wash right now, so it looks so clean. But definitely, dude, this car in the M5, I feel like just can't go wrong. All I gotta do now is just save up some more money, because right now, boys, like, obviously I'm working every day. I'm working 6 days a week, but I don't see any of the money because I have to reinvest everything. I mean, I have employees now. I have 4 employees I have to pay payroll. And that payroll kick, dude, knocks me out of the ballpark. So for now, dude, just gotta chill, working silent, training up 4 guys. You know, I'm just grateful to give 4 people the opportunity to, you know, this is a good field. This is a field where, I mean, people are retiring doing this, you know. Definitely takes a lot out of me, I will be honest, guys. Hiring employees is like, sounds cool and a flex, whatever, but it's a lot of work. And it builds your patience. Oh yeah. Dude, you can't do, I'm sorry, bro. This car is so lit. I just want to get a decal, Hellcat decal with a Redeye logo. Ooh, that's what I've been planning to do too. But boys, I'm telling you, like right now, I'm penny pinching hard. I'm just paying for the payments, and that's it. I'm just doing the bare minimum. And these payments are not bad. Like I said, when I worked at my previous employer, I was making really good money. Now I'm like barely meeting my payments. Obviously, if I need more money, I can pull out if I want to. But it's just like there's no point. I need to invest my money. Dude, I love the way this thing looks. Just imagine like a Demon 170 though. Like I'm pissed that they made one because this was like the highlight during the Hellcat era, but now there's a Demon 170. Let's go. I hope everyone's doing good, man. I hope everyone's grinding out. If anyone wants to say what they do in the comments, it would be cool to know what you guys do for a living, what you guys are striving to do, what you guys are pursuing every day, you know. Let me know in the comments what you guys do for a living, because I'm curious. I'm curious of what kind of passions you guys got. Anyone that's like doesn't have a job right now, don't know what to do, I'm telling you right now, boys, blue collar job is the way. Like I'm so thankful I did not go to college and start working at blue collar, because by that time I was already 4 years in, dude. I was making well over 150 grand, and that's, dude, I'm telling you right now, boys, like obviously there's people that make you way more money doing other stuff, like other businesses and whatever, but that's enough money to live a good life, I'm telling you right now. And as long as you invest it, like if your parents have not done the right investments and retired you, then you're the next up. You're the next in line. Like you have to be the one doing the right investments, which sucks, right? Because then you gotta wait longer for you to reap the benefit of a what? It's gonna take you longer to reap the benefit of an investment, but you know, better to start now than never. Oh my goodness. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like. If you guys want to see more, obviously subscribe. The goal is obviously, boys, to keep going, keep buying more, but gotta be smart about it. You can't just keep buying cars, and you know, you gotta set up yourself for the future, you know, like for things, if things ever hit the fan. Oh my. I gotta do one more good pull though. I gotta do one more before the video ends. I just hope there's not a cop in that row of cars. Woo! I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.